Assalamualaikum, welcome to channel Brother Nazreen. Nama aku Nazreen Ashraf, and today aku ada my very first tech review which aku dapat shipment from China, and I believe this is the Plextone 4Life True Wireless Earbuds. So let's go and unbox it. Alright guys, so this is the packaging yang aku dapat from Plextone. Okay, shipping from China. Let's go and check inside, and there it is. Alright guys, this is the packaging untuk Plextone 4Life True Wireless Music Headset. Okay guys, look at it. The box is a yellow dengan black and tu kan. Nampak tu dia punya earbuds luar depan ni. It's very outstanding colour dia. Belakang ni kuning, and then there's this these two earbuds kat sini. So dekat sini kita tengok sini Plextone Lightweight Gaming Gear 4Life True Wireless Music Headset. Dekat sini tulis Creative Design, Half Inner Fit, IPX5 Sweatproof Custom Sounds. Dia ada 3 warna, blue, red dengan green, and kat sini aku rasa aku dapat blue. Of course ada tanda kat sini blue kan. And kat belakang sini kita ada a bit of tech spec over here, so korang can digest this. Okay, Bluetooth 5.0, okay, frequency response 20 to 20 kHz, which is normal untuk human punya ear range kan. Charging time dia 1.5 hours, sejam setengah nak charge dia fully charge kan. Music time dia 3 ke 4 jam, boleh tahan 3 ke 4 jam kalau volume at 40%. And kalau standby time, maksudnya kalau korang tak pakai langsung kan, dalam 100 jam saja dia boleh hidup kat dalam ni. Lepas tu habislah kan. Microphone is available. Okay, that's a bit of typo over there. Untuk charging case dia pula kan, dia menggunakan micro USB. Okay, and charging case dia boleh tahan 30 hari of power inside there, which is great. So dekat sini kita ada 3 warna yang aku cakap tadi. Kita ada blue, red and green, and aku dapat blue ni. Blue is the one kat depan ni. Okay, alright, this is nice. This look like a galaxy, Cosmo Galaxy punya color. Kalau merah tu aku rasa that one looks like more of a flaming fire, and the green one doesn't look like green. Nampak macam bit macam paint, macam graffiti paint kan. Okay, alright, so dekat sini ada 1 year warranty. Okay guys, so aku believe that korang boleh dapat ni dekat Shopee and Lazada Plextone. Aku tak tahu nak pronounce it Plextone or Plextone. Alright, korang boleh, let's go with the Plextone kan. Okay, korang boleh dapat ni dekat Lazada dan Shopee hanya dalam RM79 sahaja. And we will check out dalam ni. Aku gonna give an honest review whether this is really a worth it punya wireless headset or not. No, sorry, it's not headset, wireless earbuds or not, because harga dah cukup murah kan. Tengok performance dia padu tak padu. Let's unbox it. Buka dia terus nampak terus ada cover dengan plastik Lucina, transparent plastic. Wow, look at that guys. Look at the earbuds. Wow, nampak memang colour the blue ni is very galaxy looking. Look at the galaxy design guys. And this is it. Okay, look at that. This is the left one, this is the right one. Belakang ni semua all black. Depan saja ada design. Very ringan. Material dia semua plastik. Oh, this is the button. Button yang tengah ni. Alright. Dia ada physical button. This is the charging case. Oh, look at that. Wow, bentuk dia very ovalish. Oval kan. Panjang ni. Atas tulis 4Life. This is the charging port over here. I believe this is the micro USB. Dia pakai micro USB type B, bukan yang type C over here. Ada 4 dot tu. Aku rasa bila charge tu dia akan menyala. Open up inside and look at that. Very basic looking. Very basic looking kan. So masukkan, aku boleh masuk kat dalam ni saja. Alright. Oh, simple je masuk tu. Oh, nampak tu. Oh, there. Aku believe that one is charging. It's charging now. And tadi bling sikit. Okay, now it's charging. Cool. And belakang ni pula tunjuk status charging case dia. Ada 3 dot yang menyala kat situ, which aku believe ada 3/4 battery life kat dalam charging case ni kan. Aku nak check apa lagi dia dapat dalam ni. Alright, so aku believe kat sini is the inner earbuds ni. Kalau contoh telinga korang susah nak melekat ni, so dia dah bagi. Kalau kot earbuds ni kecil ke kan, tapi korang perlukan extra grip, korang boleh pakai yang ni. And this is the charging cable, micro USB type B. Okay, micro USB type B untuk charge kat belakang sini kan. Right, it should perfectly fit well. Most Android pakai this type of micro USB cable, so no worries korang boleh pakai. And of course this is the instruction, normal instruction. Okay, ada English, ada apa lagi belakang ni, ada bahasa Jepun weh. Bahasa Jepun ni, English kan, which aku akan go through kejap lagi on my own. And finally this one is the warranty card, 1 year limited. Okay, aku dapat 1 year warranty, which is great guys, for RM79 punya barang. This is a sweat proof punya earbuds. Dia IPX5, so sweat proof. Diorang kata kalau kena hujan sikit pun korang boleh still pakai. Okay, kalau korang kena peluh pun still boleh pakai, no problem. Tapi janganlah rendah benda ni. Benda ni bukannya waterproof yang IPX rating yang boleh submerge dalam water. Okay guys, so aku akan test it out in a bit, and aku akan bagi tahu korang apakah aku punya pandangan about this Plextone 4Life True Wireless Earbuds. Okay, kalau korang nak pairkan dia dengan korang punya phone, komputer ke apa, senang sahaja. Aku akan guna pair dengan komputer aku sebab aku tengah record guna phone aku kan. Okay, so this is the functional key. Nama dia kat tengah ni is functional key. So apa korang kena buat? Korang kena hold sampai dia ada blink. Nampak tu blink merah biru tu kan. Right? And korang tengok komputer korang, dia akan pick up any Bluetooth punya new Bluetooth punya devices, which is over there. Nampak tu BT, dia akan nama dia BT over there. So korang just tekan connect, and there, it's connected. It's easy guys, it's easy. So dekat sini aku cakapkan there are few functional keys punya ni kan, the functional key ni kan, dia katanya dekat sini sekali tekan ialah untuk play ataupun pause, ataupun kalau ada call untuk answer ataupun end. 2 kali tekan belah kiri untuk patah balik ke lagu sebelum ni. 2 kali tekan ke belah kanan ialah pergi ke lagu yang seterusnya. 3 kali tekan belah kiri ialah untuk low down the volume. 3 kali tekan belah kanan ialah untuk increase the volume. Okay guys, kalau korang nak off kan ni, korang just tekan ni lama 3 ke 5 seconds tu, dia akan off, which nampak dia akan blink, and nampak tu dia jadi not connected over there. Then after first time korang dah pairing and korang nak turn it on balik kan, just hold the functional keys. Alright, dia ada actually bunyi sikit kan, hold the functional keys, and korang punya komputer ataupun mobile devices akan pick up balik, and there you go, dia dah connected. As easy as that. Okay guys, so aku dah pakai dah earphone Plextone 4Life dekat kiri aku and belah kanan aku. So kau boleh nampak kat sini kan, boleh nampak kat sini, boleh nampak. It's very outstanding, warna dia sangat-sangat menyerah. So bila korang tengah pakai, yang orang akan nampak ada something kat telinga kau, and you will notice this is the Plextone 4Life. So aku akan test out the audio and see, you can see and hear. Is it good? Is it good guys for RM79? Let's go and check it out. Alright, let's go and check out the functional button. One touch ialah one button, one press ialah play. Okay, aku perlukan increase volume. 3 kali tekan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Quite loud. Aku akan lowkan volume balik. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Actually kalau korang tekan dekat cakap 1, 2, 3 kan. Guys, please note this is a not noise cancelling punya earphones. Jadi korang boleh still dengar surrounding korang. Those yang really suka noise cancelling, this is not for you guys. Untuk tukar the next song, korang tekan double tap belah kanan. Kalau patah balik song sebelum ni, double tap belah kiri. Okay, the thing yang aku kurang suka is that bila kau tekan 3 kali tap untuk increase volume ataupun decrease volume, seharusnya kau tekan 2 je. Bila kau tekan 2, kau tertukar kepada song yang lain. Okay guys, ataupun ataupun patah balik song ke belakang. So that one is a bit of annoying, and then kau kena tekan. It's a physical button where korang kena press 1, 2, 3. Instead of tapping aku rasa lagi senang. Physical press is that korang menekan telinga kau tau, menekan benda ni ke telinga kau tau. It's not tak sakit, tapi aku rasa it's a bit annoying. It's a bit annoying. And bila kau tekan tu, adalah bunyi ketak. Instead of tapping, kalau macam touch punya sensitive sensor, kau just tekan je 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 kan. This one korang kena really tekan dia. So now a bit of comparison. Dekat sini aku ada Apple AirPods, which is the second generation. Bukan the Apple AirPod Pro, because Apple AirPod Pro will be like ada noise cancelling. So I'm gonna try out with this one. Okay, now aku tengah dengar lagu guna Apple AirPods. So Apple AirPods ni dia tak ada physical button which korang boleh touch sensitive. Dia ada pause or play saja. Dia tak boleh nak increase decrease volume. Okay guys. And apa aku boleh kata is that Apple AirPods, walaupun it's not the best, review yang kata it's not the best earphone out there, it's not the best, but it's a slightly better daripada Plextone 4Life. So aku dengar Apple AirPods is a bit rich sikit. It's a bit rich. It's not the best, but it's a bit rich daripada Plextone 4Life. Now kembali semula kepada Plextone 4Life, which every time kalau korang nak pakai dia, korang kena hold kejap, and then korang punya mobile phone ataupun komputer akan pick up the signal, and it's ready to be used. So actually bila korang keluarkan earpiece ni, korang kena tekan that button, which aku rasa macam, aku wish korang cabut je auto connect macam mana AirPods tadi kan. And comparing balik bunyi Plextone 4Life dengan AirPods tadi, I have to say AirPods a bit better daripada Plextone 4Life. Not much difference, not that, tak adalah jauh langit dengan bumi, but there are a bit of difference. Okay, so Plextone 4Life ni also is made for gaming. Okay, it's made for gaming. Dia test dengan 500 gamers. So aku tak boleh nak test gaming dekat sini, but I believe that this would be sufficient enough kalau korang nak main gaming kan. This would be sufficient enough. So guys, all in all, apa aku boleh kata about Plextone 4Life di sini ialah you get what you paid for. Okay guys, so for RM79 you get this kind of performance. Not as good as AirPods, but slightly closer. For RM79, it's crazy man. I mean for budget punya true wireless earphone yang ada a bit of quality, this is really good man. Okay, look at this. Korang dapat charging case ni, which is awesome. Korang dapat earpiece ni yang korang boleh masuk dalam ni. It's so cool for RM79 only guys. This is a really bargain. Okay, very good, very good. Compare size dengan Apple AirPods aku kat sini, which aku dah pakai casing kan. Alright, nampak tu. Boleh lah kan, boleh lah. It's not small, it's not big, sebab bentuk dia a bit ovalish, compare this is a bit rectangle-ish. Okay, so I have to say that this is a really good earphone for RM79. Korang boleh dapatkan Lazada ataupun Shopee, Plextone 4Life. Thank you very much Plextone sebab supply aku dengan Plextone 4Life untuk review. Aku really enjoy it, and for RM79, this is a bargain guys. This is a really good bargain. Okay guys, so aku hope in the future aku akan buat more tech reviews lagi. Thank you very much for watching this guys. Please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Assalamualaikum, bye bye.